guys, I'm Shreya. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to do prepping our skin before makeup or photo shoot. So yeah, I have seen so many videos and I was thinking that why everyone gives a lot of emphasis on skincare, whether it be morning skincare, night skincare or skincare after makeup, as I have also done. But we all forget that how important it is to prep our skin before makeup. This video, without a doubt, I am going to clear from point 1 to point 10 all your queries, all your questions that are in your mind regarding how to prep our skin before makeup, why is it important, which products you can use and everything about that. So yeah, now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So yeah, first thing first, I am going to discuss why is it important to prep our skin before makeup or a photo shoot. If you prep your skin before makeup, 1. Your base will be strong. 2. Your makeup will never look cakey. 3. Your makeup will last long. Number 4. You will get a flawless finish on your look. Number 5. Wherever you go, you will get compliments because of your makeup, because of your entire skin. Whether you are using high-end beauty products, drugstore brands or any low category brand or any other kind of makeup product, let me tell you, all makeup products have some or the other chemicals included in them. So we all need a protection, a shield on our skin to make it look flawless. Every one of us has once in their lifetime gone to a parlor, a salon to get a makeup done, or even called someone to a place to get a makeup done. And have you ever observed that how much importance do they lay on facial, on cleansing our skin? Have you? Whenever I used to visit, the parlor wali didi was always asking that क्या आपने facial कराया है या have you properly cleansed our skin, and have you observed like कभी भी makeup करने से पहले वो हमारा face कितने अच्छे तरीके से cleanse करते हैं? Have you ever thought that क्यों करते हैं? Because हमारी स्किन की जितनी भी dirt है, everything it removes very nicely. And just not cleansing, toning, moisturizing, everything is important. And priming our skin before makeup is even more important. Why? Because primer keeps our makeup last long. Primer acts as a shield, as a protection, and like a layer. 2 things. Open pores and oily skin can cause a lot of problem to your makeup. It can really spoil and destroy your makeup. Now, what are open pores? Open pores are usually filled with dirt, oil, bacteria, and they can cause you blackheads, whiteheads, pimples, acne, and so many problems like that. Point number 2 is oily skin. Oily skin also causes an equal amount of problem to our makeup, to our skin, because in summers or in rainy season we sweat so much, because of which the excess dirt formation is there, sebum formation is there, because of which we get open pores and dirt formation, whiteheads, blackheads, acne, pimples, and everything of that sort happens. What if I tell you that I have a brand, I have products which can cure all these problems and can give you a good flawless makeup, a clear skin, a good protection to your skin and everything of that sort? Yes, we have a brand today with us which is Requil. So today I'm going to show you oil control range of Requil. I have been using this brand for past 2 years now, and recently I got my hands on their oil control range and I wanted to try to see if this actually works as it claims. Like जो ये claim करता है वो काम ये करता भी है या नहीं. And let me tell you, it stood not only on my expectations but really above my expectations. That's why I'm creating this full-fledged video to tell you. Really, I'm not just promoting the brand here. I am very serious about it. I have used these products, and if you want to check, you can check my Instagram. I got these products seriously 1.5 months back, and I have been seriously using them. Every time I put my makeup on, these are the products behind the scenes. These are the products that I put before makeup which give me a flawless makeup. So this time today my skin is all naked. I have not worn anything, not even a face wash. I am going to show you all the steps, everything right in front of you. So yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started. The very first product that I have with me today is this Requil's Oil Control Face Wash. It is mainly made for oily skin and acne prone skin, and that's what we are laying most emphasis on for today. So I'm going to take this face wash on my hand It has this, really watery flowing texture. Just, wait to do. You need to massage the face wash very well into your skin. Now we are going to wash this off. Now I'm going to tell you some main qualities of this face wash. It claims to be a completely free soap-free face wash which has no sulfate and that loves your skin as much as you do. Its soft cleansing action deeply cleanses the dirt buildup, unclogs the pores while retaining the moisture balance of your skin, leaving you with a supple and plump-free after every wash. It really, took my heart away, and what all it claims, it did all that, and I can really see a clear transformation, and my skin is feeling much more softer, and no oil on my skin, and I'm really loving it. The second product that I'm going to talk to you about is the Pore Refining Face Toner by Requel. This is mainly made for oily and acne prone skin. It is dermatologically tested. It's alcohol free, 9 botanical extracts for visibly reduced pores, and yeah, it's really reduced my pores. See, this was the dirt I was talking about. Even after me washing my face, so much of dirt has come out. This toner is really good and does wonders to your skin. Third step is to moisturize the skin very well. You must have seen my makeup videos. If you haven't, check them out. You will get to know how much emphasis I lay on moisturizer. I have never ever shown cleansing and toning so much, but moisturizing I have every time laid a lot of emphasis because I know the importance of moisturizing, and today I am going to tell you the same. Moisturizer provides a deep hydration and nourishment to your skin. अगर आप ड्राई स्किन पे मेकअप लगाओगे तो मेकअप लास्ट नहीं करेगा. ऑयली स्किन पे वो इतना स्वेटी होगा कि इतनी धूप एंड इतनी गर्मी से मेकअप गलने लगता है. वी डोंट से ना कि मेकअप उतर रहा है एंड सी मेकअप इज कमिंग आउट, इट्स स्मजिंग एंड एवरीथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. सो यू रियली नीड अ ऑयल फ्री मॉइस्चराइजर. अ ऑयल फ्री मॉइस्चराइजर कैन डू ऑल दैट जॉब. ऑयल फ्री मॉइस्चराइजर आपकी स्किन में ऑयल नहीं जमा होने देगा. सीबम, एक्सेस डॉट जितनी भी जमा हो जाती है ऑयल की वजह से, अगर आपकी स्किन में ऑयल ही नहीं होगा, अगर आपकी स्किन एक ऑयल फ्री मॉइस्चराइजर से प्रोटेक्टेड होगा तो बाकी और कोई प्रॉब्लम्स भी नहीं होंगी. मॉइस्चराइजिंग बहुत important है before you apply any sort of makeup. So the last product that I have from Requel is its oil free moisturizer. This is mainly made for normal to oily skin. It's a lightweight and fast absorbing moisturizer which is dermatologically tested, and you can use this twice a day. So I'm going to use this product now. Apply it on your neck as well. These were all the products that I wanted to recommend to you, to show to you from Requel. So do shop these. You must definitely shop these because these are like really gorgeous and good, because these are like really good products that would actually work for your skin. Don't worry, मैं कभी भी लाइफ में आपके मनी, आपके पैसे नहीं वेस्ट होने दूंगी. जो भी मैं recommend करती हूँ वो tried and tested होता है. मेरी स्किन पे ये मैंने 1.5 months यूज़ किया है and तभी I am recommending, so you can have that trust on me. And if you are showing so much trust on me and buying these products, so मेरा भी कुछ फर्ज बनता है. I will be giving you a flat 15% off अगर आप इनकी वेबसाइट पे जाके शॉप करोगे एंड मेरा कोड डालोगे which is श्रेया अग्रवाल, SHREYAAGARWAL, तो आपको एक फ्लैट 15% ऑफ मिलेगा. ये इनकी ऑयल रेंज थी. So definitely shop their products because they are absolutely amazing. Yeah guys, this was all for the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel प्लीज़ ऐसे ही प्यार देते रहो, सब्सक्राइब करते रहो. एंड वी हैव completed 600 subscribers on our channel, and I really want to hit the 1000 button in the next month. So please help me achieve that. And thank you. Take care. Bye bye.